Hey there! Welcome back to Animal Logic. I'm your host and I've got a super cute question for you today. Ever wonder how some of the ocean's most adorable creatures just seem to disappear? Well, prepare to have your mind blown because today we are diving deep into the remarkable world of marine camouflage, revealing the ingenious strategies these tiny masters use to vanish right before our eyes. You won't believe what they can do. So get ready to dive into the ocean's most enchanting mystery. The masters of disguise live among us, concealed in plain sight. And if it weren't for the dedicated work of marine biologists and the captivating lens of underwater photographers and videographers, many of these masterminds would forever remain hidden from human eyes. So here's a special shout out to those who've captured the essence of these elusive creatures. Their work allows us to appreciate the magic that unfolds beneath the waves without disturbing these delicate ecosystems. Let's take a moment to applaud their dedication and skill in unveiling the wonders of the hidden world. Without further ado, let's dive into our top picks for the ocean's most adorable camouflaged creatures. Starting with a creature so tiny and intricate, it seems almost otherworldly, the pygmy seahorse. These miniature marvels, measuring less than an inch in length, are the epitome of cuteness. Their diminutive size and delicate features make them a joy to behold, but their charm goes beyond their appearance. Pygmy seahorses are known for their exceptional camouflage abilities, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. They can change colors to match the hues of the coral reef, making them nearly invisible to predators. Their transparent bodies allow them to blend in with the water around them, making them even more elusive. Now let's turn our attention to an unexpected master of disguise, the mimic octopus. Known for its intelligence and adaptability, this highly skilled cephalopod can change its shape, color, and texture to resemble other marine creatures. Its ability to mimic other animals is truly astonishing. From the venomous lionfish to the harmless seagrass, the mimic octopus takes on various guises to deceive its prey and predators alike. Its camouflage prowess is a testament to its evolutionary journey and its vital role in the marine ecosystem. Let's not forget the master of disguise, the leafy sea dragon. This mesmerizing fish is like something straight out of a fairy tale. With its delicate leaf-like appendages, it gracefully floats through the water mimicking seaweed or floating leaves. Its translucent skin allows it to blend in with the aquatic plants, making it virtually invisible to predators. The leafy sea dragon is a true gem of the ocean, enchanting all who encounter it. To round out our list, we'll introduce you to the master of transparency, the glass squid. As its name suggests, this enigmatic creature has a transparent body that allows us to see right through it. Its internal organs are visible, making it a unique marvel of nature. The glass squid's ability to blend in with the surrounding water is unmatched. It's as if it disappears into thin air, leaving only its ethereal glow behind. As we conclude our journey through the ocean's most adorable camouflaged creatures, we hope you've been as enchanted by these underwater marvels as we are. Each of these creatures has its own unique way of vanishing into thin air, leaving us in awe of nature's creativity. Remember, these charming illusionists are not just cute. They're highly evolved survivors perfectly adapted to their environment. Their ability to camouflage allows them to thrive in the vast expanse of the ocean, showcasing the remarkable diversity of life on our planet.